Hi there, it's James here bringing the walk around of the Melbourne Red 320D Msport Saloon here at YNC Car. So of course we're going to take a walk around the exterior of the vehicle whilst talk you through some of the features and options. Then we'll make our way through onto the interior, where once we're there we're going to go through some of the options and features whilst we're inside the car. So of course a few major talking points to start off with the outside of the car. Of course we've fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is of course fitted all in-house here. On this particular vehicle, to really complement the stunning Melbourne Red body colour, we've gone for a nice mixture of the satin and gloss black. And of course all that you'll see as we make our way around the car. The wheel option is the absolutely stunning 405M replica alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. And once again they've got the very nice gloss black inserts with the diamond cut outer faces, and they are all brand new with brand new tyres. So starting at the very front, of course, where we have the stunning BMW LED headlamps, which you can currently see in operation there, and we'll give you a nice side lamps down the side of the car, taking in how great the black works with the Melbourne Red. An exceptionally clean exterior and interior on this car, and one that has got some very nice options on top of the already stunning styling kit and the alloy wheels. Interior is the stunning black Dakota Leather, which in the front has the heated seat function along with the electric lumbar. We've also got that very nice grand piano black trim with the brushed aluminium inserts, which runs throughout the vehicle onto the dashboard and centre console trim. Also got the optional extra Msport sill plates, as you can see there. And we've also got the lovely Mperformance stickers. Falling on into the rear seats, where of course you get an Isofix rear bench and that centre folding armrest. And of course, thanks to the vehicle being a Msport model, we do get the lovely black anthracite headlining. Moving on around to the rear of the vehicle, where we find the stunning gloss black rear boot spoiler. And we will open up that boot to take a look at the boot space, which is very spacious indeed. However, thankfully this vehicle does also come equipped with the optional extra of the split folding seat function, which I'll show you in just one second. You've also got the other option of the other 12-volt socket in the boot, which again is another optional extra, and we've got a little bit of storage to the right and left hand side of the boot, so always good for space in and around the 3 Series. Once again, nice side profile view of the car. And as you can see, it is possibly one of the nicest colour combos, thanks to the good colour contrast of the black and red. One last little look at the 20-inch alloy wheels before we head on over, take a look at the split folding seat function. Then I'm going to jump on into the driver's seat and go through everything inside the vehicle in proper depth. So as you can see, just adding that does give you that little bit more space into the boot. And as I've mentioned, it is an optional extra on this year 3 Series, as opposed to the new ones where it does come as standard. And of course, always a welcomed option. So now I'm going to dive on and into the driver's seat, where once we're there, we're going to go through everything, not before showing you off the great option of having the power fold mirror function, which can be controlled using the button there, or of course holding the lock button on the key. Another optional extra on this vehicle is the extended storage function, which just gives you a little bit more storage around the car. Mainly this little pocket here, which is always useful. Any more storage you can have, always a good thing. Okay, so now we're sat inside the car, we can take a better look round. Starting of course with the dual climate control, as you can see there, which is where the heated seat function switches are situated. We've also got the BMW business navigation and media. As you can see, I've currently put the navigation screen up. We'll go through and take a look at the communications menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB radio, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the AUX, USB, and I've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio. Multifunction Msport steering wheel with the cruise control, speed limiter functions, voice control, volume control, and the mode select switch. Vehicle itself has covered just over 48,000 miles, as you can see currently on the odometer. Transmission wise, we've got the superb 7-speed automatic gearbox. We'll click back through and take a look at the vehicle service information / service status, or in this case on this vehicle, lack of, because we don't have any service requirements for a long time just yet. As you can see, clicking into the vehicle service, engine oil is not due for 9,000 miles. Clicking back through, everything else is in green, which is fantastic news for yourselves if you are looking to purchase this specific vehicle, as nothing is due. And we can of course have a look at the service history that's been carried out on the car. The last service was done at 40,875, and it was indeed a full service, including all of the filters, which is fantastic news, because it means in 9,000 miles, it means that all is due is a engine oil and oil filter change. So that is the walk around completed for the stunning 320D in Melbourne Red, which is a very striking vehicle combined with the lovely looks of the YNC Mperformance body styling kit, not forgetting those lovely 20-inch alloy wheels. So we do of course hope you found this walk around video useful. Please, if you've not yet already done so, remember to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can keep up to date with our latest and newest stock here at YNC Car. And don't forget, of course, all of our cars here are in stock, ready to drive away the same day if you require to. Thanks very much for watching. Do take care. We hope to see you soon. Goodbye.